Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Windows Update KB5045935 failed to install in Windows 11 computer. Cumulative Update KB5045935 for Windows 11 versions 22H2 and 23H2, which was released on November 12, 2024, enhances system stability and security in the net framework and improvements for applications compatibility support and vulnerabilities, and possible causes are system files corrupt, Windows Update components error, software conflicts with the previous updates, faulty network connectivity, and insufficient disk space. And then I'll show you some method to fix the error. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check relevant services. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa services and services local, dito sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Update. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. So select and double click. And then dito sa kanyang properties at dito lang sa general at dito sa startup type. So dapat nakaselect dito yung automatic and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito sa service status yung start and wait natin. And then dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito sa Windows Update and the next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So same procedure, select and double click at dito lang sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa general at dito lang sa startup type. So kailangan naka-select yung automatic and then i-click mo lang dito yung apply and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito and other command keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung cryptographic services. Alright? So i-select mo lang yan and double click. And then dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa general at dito lang sa startup type. So kailangan nakaselect yung automatic. And then dito sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. And after dito sa services, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run Windows Update troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung system. At dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and select mo lang dito yung troubleshoot. And then next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yan. And under dito sa most frequent and select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. At dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed. And next step, so close lang natin tong settings. So close and dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Alright? And hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset Windows Update components. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. if you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space slash flash DNS. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na ipconfig space slash flash DNS and press mo lang yung enter and successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space WANSOC space reset. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space WANSOC space reset and press mo lang yung enter and successfully reset the WANSOC catalog. And then next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update KB5045935 failed to install in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.